Good day to all employer. I'm Jomelyn Lapot Balorio, 29 years old, a high school graduate, a single mom, and the breadwinner of my family. I have one child, baby girl, 2 years old. I have one brother and two sisters. I am second child of my family. My mother's name is Erlinda Neminso Lapot. My father's name is Ronnie Sevilla Balorio. I am a Catholic from Davao City, Philippines. I worked more than 5 years in Beirut, Lebanon. I served one family, two adults, two kids, 5 years old and 3 years old, and one dog. In 2 years finished contract in Saudi Arabia. I served one family, two adults, and one newborn baby. My main responsibility as your future domestic helper is to take care of your family and treat your kids as my children and or my siblings. I clean the house, wash the dishes, clothes, do ironing, marketing, and sometimes wash the cars. To my future employer, I promise I will follow your rules, regulation, and do my responsibility. I hardworking, trustworthy, loyal, fast learner, and cheerful and joyful person. Thank you and God bless.